Welcome! Today we're going to be exploring the world of light by creating a sundial. A sundial is a tool used to track time by using the sun's shadow. So the tools that I have today are a paper plate, a pencil, a Sharpie or a marker, a ruler, and tape. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my pencil and my ruler, and I'm going to locate the center part of my paper plate. Once I've found the center part, I'm going to mark it with a pencil. Just like this. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pencil and put it at that center part and poke a hole through this. Now I suggest doing this with some adult supervision. Now that my pencil is in the plate, I want to secure it down with some tape. And once you have it taped down and secure, it should look something like this. So the next step is to take your Sharpie and draw an arrow on the outside of our plate. Arrow should look something like this. And then I'm going to label it with an N. This N stands for north. So now that our sundial is ready, we're gonna head outside and test it out. Hi, we're on the rooftop here at Frost Science, ready to test out our sundial. So the first thing we want to do is locate north. So you can do this with a compass or the compass app on your smartphone. So that's what I'll be using today. So my compass is telling me that north is this way. So I'm going to put down my sundial in the direction of north. Using that north arrow again, you're going to position it towards north. Just like this. So the next thing you're going to look for is the shadow coming from the pencil. Now this shadow is coming from the sun's light. So once I locate that shadow, I'm going to take my Sharpie and trace the shadow. The next thing I'm going to do is figure out the time. So it is 3 o'clock p.m. and I'm going to write it right here. So throughout the day on the hour, you can check on your sundial to track the time. So look, just like this at the end of the day. Happy tracking.